I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again today I am participating in a challenge set out by Grandma Sandy. She is fantastic. You'll know her when she comes to your site because she always leaves really nice notes. It's not just a comment. She leaves a full note everywhere she goes. In fact, I noticed her from Darla's Doll Sanctuary, and that's how we kind of got back and forth with our channels. And she is the nicest person, but I told her, I just can't call you Grandma. You're my age. Today's challenge is Mad Hatter Tea Party. I had this Blythe doll dressed as Alice in Wonderland, and my rabbit with his Mad Hatter hat. I made the little vest. I made the outfit. Darren did all of the 3D printing, the headband and the teacup that is a Brett. Trying to think what else. Oh yes, and the stand. And we bought these at the thrift store near us for a collab I was doing with Peace Craft Love Dolls. Now she's dropped the love with Tammy Powley. And she and I each took a Blythe doll and we dressed them as Alice in Wonderland, and we asked our subscribers to vote who did it best. On that one, I won. But Tammy and I have done others since then, and we are 2 for 2. We have a Maleficent coming up in November, so we're both taking a Blythe doll and dressing it, making it as much as we can like Maleficent. We will ask you once again to vote. Grandma Sandy, thank you so much for inviting me to join in on your challenge. This was really fun, and it gave me the opportunity to show off my Alice in Wonderland and my pretty little teacups again. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.